Alright hobby legends, welcome back to Avanor Hobbies. Today we're diving into the non-metallic metal steel using the Squidmar style method, and we're putting it to work on the absolute beast Lord Eternus from Slaves of Darkness Age of Sigmar range. Now just to be clear, I'm by no means an expert at this. This is simply what I can do at my current skill level, and I wanted to share the process in case it helps you on your own painting journey. If you ever wanted to push your non-metallic metal further or just understand how these highlights come together, this one is for you. So grab your brushes and let's get into it. Before we jump in, here's what I'm using today. Dark sea blue as the base tone, ice yellow for progressive highlights, and bleached bone for the final edge definition. Simple palette but massive impact. We start with a smooth base coat of dark sea blue. This color is perfect because it gives us a cold, desaturated foundation that instantly reads as steel once highlighted. Much better than starting off from black. Thin your paint slightly and apply it in 2 smooth coats. You want full coverage but no texture. This stage sets the tone for everything that follows. Now we begin building the illusion of metal. Mix dark sea blue with a small amount of ice yellow, roughly 70-30. Using the side of your brush, start pulling this color towards the raised areas and light facing surfaces. Think about where the light would naturally hit, edges, corners, and upper planes. Don't worry about blending perfectly yet. We're building contrast in stages. Next we increase the ice yellow in the mix, about 50-50 now. Apply more selectively, focusing on sharper edges and smaller highlight zones. This is where the steel starts to snap visually. Remember, non-metallic metal is about contrast, not smoothness. Don't be afraid to let the transition show slightly. You will probably need to do about 2 to 3 layers, adding progressively more ice yellow to every layer you put on. For the final highlight, we add bleached bone to the mix, just a small amount. This goes on the sharpest edges only. Blade edges, armor corners, and highest points catching the imaginary light. Use the side of your brush and keep your pressure light. This step is what sells the illusion of polished steel. Please remember, non-metallic metal works best when contrast is bold. If everything looks smooth and soft, it reads as grey and not metal. Strong darks, bright highlights, confidence. And there we have it, non-metallic metal steel, painted using clean, controlled, and repeatable methods that work beautifully on a Slaves of Darkness model like Lord Eternus. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe for more painting guides, and let me know in the comments what model you'd like to see next. I've got more Slaves to Darkness and more advanced techniques and some big projects coming up very soon. In the next video I'll be tackling the non-metallic gold. Thanks for watching, this is Avanor Hobbies signing off.